Yo, guess what? I interviewed IssaKatt today, so I cannot wait for you to see it. Pousye. Yo, yo! Yo, we back with another Pousye Show. I'm with the one and only IssaKatt. What's going on?
Nothing, I'm chilling.
What is IssaKatt?
So IssaKatt came around when I was about 16 years old. I was always interested in doing social media and especially YouTube. So I had like a YouTube channel and I called it IssaKatt. So IssaKatt is like, it's me, it's my personality, it's my aura.
But what that name though?
Honestly, it's me, IssaKatt. My name's Katrina.
Oh, okay, so the cat come from Katrina.
Yes.
Okay.
And then a lot of people at work used to call me Cat, especially at Starbucks.
Okay. So you used to work at Starbucks, right?
Yes, I was a barista supervisor at Starbucks.
So now, why you try to become a content creator? Why?
I've always been interested in social media. I want to become a content creator because I don't feel like a 9-to-5 life is for me. It's just not for me. I have a big personality. I know how to communicate with everybody. I love the camera. I'm always posting. So why not be a content creator?
So what do you mean you don't like the 9-to-5? What's wrong with the 9-to-5?
So this may be bad, but I don't really like when people tell me what to do, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Now, It's something that if you know what you're doing, okay, you can tell me what to do. But I'm a natural born leader, so 9-to-5 is just not for me.
Okay. So now, are you doing content creation full-time or part-time?
So right now, currently, it's full-time.
Are you getting paid?
No, it's a little bit, like, come on. Well, okay. For my food reviews, I got paid for like two food trucks, and that's all. Literally, I'm doing this because I want to do it.
All right, talking about food review. Why choosing food to create content?
I love food, and I love posting pictures about food. I love talking about the food. So I was like, why not? Why not get paid from eating food and talking about it?
So basically, they give you the food, and you do the review. You eat the food, everything else.
And I leave like reviews online on Yelp, on TikTok, and.
So those are honest review, or you just do it because they want you to do it?
No, it's honest. I'm telling my honest opinion about the food.
So if the food smell like shit, or tastes like shit, you're gonna tell them,
I'm gonna
right?
make a face. I'm gonna be like, oh my goodness,
and
sucks.
You're not afraid of hurting the owner's business?
No.
Egos? No, you don't care about that.
So I have a mixed opinion about it because I went to one food review and they asked me about a drink, a specific drink, and she was asking me, "Oh, does it taste like iced tea?" Like this, because the drink was iced tea something. And I'm like, is she like, am I gonna say the wrong answer? Am I gonna say the right answer? And then the owner's over there looking at me, and I'm like, damn. And I'm like, she's like, what does it taste like, iced tea or juice? And then I'm like, it tastes like juice. And then she's like, oh, okay, that's what I wanted to hear. And I'm
but
like,
for them, it was supposed to be iced tea.
Yes. So the description was like iced tea something.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
I don't believe that. It's not that shit is
I
not
know
convincing.
How to cook. I know how to cook breakfast.
If you believe what she's saying is true, make sure you let me know in the comments.
Listen, I know how to cook
or
breakfast,
not cook.
Pancakes, eggs, sausage, like the basics. Now, if you tell me cook rice and a whole chicken, I don't know. You'll probably get like a pre-seasoned chicken.
Oh, talking about
throw
food.
in the oven.
What is your background?
I'm Haitian American.
What that mean?
My family are from Haiti, and I'm American, so I'm Haitian American.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you ever been to Haiti?
No, whenever I'm about to go, a war about to break out, so I can't even go. I can't even go.
What do you mean war about to break out?
They killing the president. So I can't go. And we booked the ticket and all, and we couldn't go.
But if Haiti change, would you like to visit one day?
Of course, I would visit. I would possibly buy a property there.
Okay.
I would.
So what part of Haiti your parents come from?
Okay.
Okap is safe to travel.
I
Yeah.
know.
But
I
you're not
know.
ready yet, huh?
I'm not ready yet. I don't know. I need Wi-Fi.
Uh-huh.
I need a bathroom inside.
Uh-huh.
So once that's ready, I'm there.
I mean, there's hotel in Haiti that give you like power 24/7. They got the Wi-Fi. They got everything you needed though.
Yeah, soon.
So now, how's your Creole?
My Creole it's okay as long as my grandparents understand me.
Ça veut dire.
What am I saying? What is he saying? What is it? Say it again.
Ça veut dire.
Like, what am I saying?
What do you mean? That's
Oh,
what it is.
yeah, like, what am I saying? Mm-hmm.
So now, what is the goal? What is your plan? How you plan on making money with your content? What is the main goal?
So, honestly, if I could tell you all the truth, I don't really care about the money.
For now.
For now.
Okay.
Soon, of course, I would start making money, but I genuinely just want to do this. My goal is to get my name out there, my platform out there, and soon help local businesses out by promoting their brand on my platform.
I've been looking at your content. Do you have a team that help you create the content
No.
or record, or how do you do it? What is
It's
the process?
all by myself. I have only one phone. I use CapCut, about a light and a tripod, and I just do what I got to do.
Okay, that's good. That's really impressive.
Yeah.
Because it feels like you got someone like chasing you everywhere you go and eating.
No, it's just me.
So would you like to build a team that can help you
Of course.
scale that?
Of
Or-
course. One day I want somebody following me around with a camera. I want someone actually being able to edit the videos for me so I don't have to edit, and somebody controlling all my platforms.
Right now, do you stay local or you travel to create content?
So currently I'm local, but my goal is to do travel content.
Okay.
Cruises, out of the country.
If someone wants you to help them out, what is the process? How they get rich? How they can reach you?
So my prices is between $100 to $500.
So she cheap.
Yes, currently I am cheap, but my goal is to help people, so I don't really care about the price either.
How can they reach out to you?
They could reach me through cell phone or my email, or you could just message me through my DM.
So what is your Instagram?
It is IssaKatt.ENT, both Instagram and TikTok.
Before we go, any last word for people that want to create content? Or, by the way, you don't have any food allergy. You eat everything.
I eat everything.
You're good. That's a perfect job.
But the advice I would give somebody is don't procrastinate, don't overthink, just do it. You could be looking a hot mess. Who cares? Just do it. People want authentic content. They want to see your personality, and they will watch you.
And I know a lot of people that create content, they really worry about the likes, the views. How do you feel about that?
Honestly, I feel like you shouldn't worry about all that. I feel like you should just be worrying about posting and getting your name out there, getting your face out there so people know who you are. I'd rather have a whole bunch of views than a whole bunch of likes. I don't care for likes.
Okay. As long as you get people to see it, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
Well, that's all we got today. This was IssaKatt.
Thank you.
Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share that video. And let me know if she know how to cook. Pousye. Yo!